This is the Core Reactor II 1000 watt gold sold by XPG with a current MSRP of $200 US. It is a fully modular ATX 3.1 power supply with a single fan mode. The power supply comes in reasonable packaging and measures 150 by 86 by 160 millimeters. Considering cable flexibility, it has an effective depth of 210 millimeters. The Core Reactor II 1000 watt is accompanied by the accessories as shown and supported by a 10-year warranty. This warranty period is as expected for a power supply of this class. The fully modular cables are of excellent quality. They have sleeved insulation and are moderately flexible. They should cause no problems while building and cable managing your computer. The provided cable set includes a single 12-volt 2x6 cable, allowing it to power all types of high-wattage GPUs. LTT Labs conducted all of the following testing at an ambient temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. The full test suite, including tests at extended temperature ranges, is available on the lab's website linked in the description. But before we get to the test results, here's a message from our sponsor. Thanks to Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. We've been using their secure, high-speed VPN for years, and you can too. Get a special deal by going to pia.com/psucircuit. The Core Reactor II 1000 watt carries an 80+ gold rating, and we have measured 91% efficiency at 50% of its maximum rated load. That is higher than power supplies in a similar class. Throughout the full rated output power range of 1000 watts, there was a 0.184 voltage drop on the 12-volt rail inside of ATX specifications and similar to other power supplies we've tested. The rest of the output rails met ATX specifications. This performance is as expected and will support a variety of component configurations. The peak-to-peak signal ripple of the fully loaded power supply's 12-volt rail was outstanding for its price and wattage at 20 millivolts, while the 5-volt and 3.3-volt rails had signal ripple of 11 millivolts and 14 millivolts respectively. Modern power supplies typically have no issue complying with ATX ripple specifications, but this unit stands out for its stability. We test a power supply's resilience to momentary power dropouts and ripples using our brownout test that interrupts the input power for a few milliseconds. This allows us to measure how long of a power dropout the sample can sustain without interrupting the output power. The Core Reactor II 1000 watt was measured to withstand a 14 millisecond and 13 millisecond dropout at full rated load for 115 volt and 230 volt inputs respectively. This unit performs similarly to other power supplies. The Excursion test momentarily applies up to 200% of the rated load to test a power supply's ability to support components that may temporarily require more than their rated current. The Core Reactor II 1000 watt withstood all of the excursions but failed to maintain ATX voltage limits in a few cases. This is unlikely to impact reliability for a vast majority of workloads. The Core Reactor II 1000 watt is equipped with the protections as listed, providing the full suite of protections for you and your equipment. We measured the overpower protection to engage at a maximum of 126% of rated load, while the 12-volt rail alone is capable of 104 amps, 125% of its rating. This is equivalent to similarly rated power supplies, offering good protection against component faults while also allowing the power draw to slightly exceed the official rating. We recommend the Core Reactor II 1000 watt gold because of its incredibly low ripple noise and high efficiency at low wattages. For full specifications and test results, follow the link to the product page on the LTT Labs website.